And we are live. Who's going to be the first to join? Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. We are live today on YouTube. Sorry, on TikTok, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Oh, sorry about that. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Hello, user 123456. Welcome, my friend. You're the first to join. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Okay, thank you for the gifts already. Thanks so much for the gifts. Okay, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Welcome, guys. If you're new around here, welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. I thought I'd do a little live, okay, for a GCSE paper, okay. We'll go live for about an hour today, okay, and then I'm gonna try and do an A-level live later today or tomorrow, okay. But sorry for not being that well organized here with my time, okay. If you're new around here, guys, make sure you give us a follow, okay, and check out content on my page. But today we're going to be having a go at, yeah, if we can, okay, although it's actually quite secure, we're going to try the AQA GCSE Foundation Tier paper. Hello, Jason. Welcome, welcome from the 2019 series. Okay, and it's a calculator paper. Okay, I haven't got my trusty calculator with me today, but I'll do my off my phone. Hello, welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, I'll give it a few minutes here for obviously people to join. Okay, those of you that are doing foundation, this will still be useful. Hello, I'm Reen. Welcome, welcome. Okay, if it's foundation, OCR, foundation, and Excel, it will still be relevant for you. Okay, but grab your calculators. Okay, and we'll make a start in the next few minutes. Okay. Hello, username. Hello, political mate. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Hello, CF Care the Best. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're well. Hello, Apple user. Nice having you on the call. Hope you're well. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow. Hello, Talis. Hello, Dave. Welcome, welcome. Guys, I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, happy half term. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Talis, for the like. Okay, guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow. Check out the content on my page. Okay, at the minute to now, I'm focusing a lot more on my A-level math students, but I'm going to try and chuck in the occasional live for GCSE Maths, okay, higher and foundation, okay? But yeah, make sure you give us a follow, okay, so it will notify you when I'm live. I haven't got a specific timetable, okay, of when I'm live. Okay, hello, Alicia, welcome, welcome. Okay, thank you for liking it. Thanks so much, user 123456 for liking. Thank you, Tel's World, welcome, welcome. For liking. Okay, we're about to hit obviously 1K likes, smashing it already, guys, and we'll make a start, okay, in the next minute or so. Thanks so much, Care the Best. Welcome, welcome. Thanks so much, CFC, I'll call you, okay? Thanks so much, CFC, for liking. Thank you so much, okay? Thank you for liking, guys. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, okay? Check out the content on my page, and if you can, guys, please, please help me get to 10K followers, okay? Hello, RA, welcome, welcome. Okay, I'm very, very keen, and I know I sound like a desperate broken record, but please, please press that follow button if you're new around here and check out the content on my page. And even better, go subscribe to my YouTube. Link is in my bio. Okay. But as I said, yeah, as I said at the start, guys, I'm focusing more on the A-level maths content. Okay. Thank you so much here. Thank you, Apple user, for liking. Okay, we've got 10 people in the chat. This is awesome. Okay. Hello, Dylan. Welcome, welcome. We shall make a start. Okay. So, guys, the format of these lives are I'll give you a little bit of time to try the questions. Hello, Ibrahim. Welcome, welcome. Do I do walkthroughs on YouTube? I actually don't, RA, but I do try to upload, okay, um, all the lives on TikTok onto YouTube after, so you can rewatch it at your own leisure. Okay, and also, guys, anyone that's doing the higher, the last few questions will be relevant for you. Okay, Ibrahim says white foundation because I'm doing a mixture of both. Okay, right now my focus is A-level maths. Okay, but I'm gonna try and chuck in the occasional higher and foundation. Okay, the next live for GCSE will be a higher tier. I can promise you that. Okay, so tune in for that. Okay, make sure you give me a follow, please. Okay, so you're notified of when I go live. Okay, I haven't got a timetable just as yet. Okay, but please, guys, yeah, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow. Okay, Zelty's got an answer. Okay, already for question 1. Okay, we'll give it another minute or so, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, CF Care the Best has got 3 answers. Okay, we'll give it about 30 more seconds. Thank you so much, Zelty, for liking. Guys, if you're new around here, like I said at the start, and I'll keep saying, please give us a follow. Again, check out the content on my page and help me reach 10k followers. Okay, thank you so much here. Thank you, London, for following. I appreciate that. Okay, and thank you for any gifts, guys. Okay, thank you for any gifts and any shares. Okay, right, guys, let's talk about it. Okay, so this is question number 1. It says circle the number that is 1 less than a cube number. So a cube number is made by multiplying a number by itself twice. So what do I mean by this? Well, 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Okay, 1 less than 27 will be 26. So my answer for the first one is 26, guys. Okay, that's question 1 done. Question number 2, circle the fraction that is equal to 0.25. If we bring 0.25 into our calculators, it will give us 1/4. 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. Okay, because if I times top and bottom by 1/4, I get 3/12. So my answer is going to be 3/12. Okay, and question number 3, we've got a number line. Here is a number line. Which number is at A? Well, it's going up in 0.2 each time. So it's 3.2, 3.4, 3.6. So my answer, guys, is 3.6. Okay, so well done if you got that. So well done to Zelty, well done CF. Okay, the best. Okay, well done, guys. That's question 1 to 3 done now. On to question 4 and 5. Okay, question number 4. How many millimeters are there in 3.27 meters? Okay, and then once you finish that, try question 5. Which is bigger, 3/4 of a day or 1,000 minutes? Okay. Hello, Rose. Welcome, welcome. You must show your workings. Okay, so I'll give you about a minute or so, okay, to try both questions, and then we'll share the answers. Okay. Let me actually annotate this, guys, here, because it says here, yeah, that I've got limited permission. Okay, on here, view permission. Okay, I have to actually screenshot this here and put it on like a different site to annotate. Okay, so I'll try to annotate it. Okay, Zelty's got an answer for question number 4. So Zelty's very, very quick in there today. Awesome, awesome, guys. If you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, guys, as well, actually, sorry to actually rant a lot today. Okay, please be respectful. Okay, to anyone that's doing foundation or higher. Okay, so please just be kind. Okay, everybody finds different things easy and difficult. Okay, so I would appreciate it if you respect us here. Okay, everybody in life finds things easy and difficult. Okay, I don't come to everyone and say, oh, well, A-level maths here is a joke, okay? Because it's not a joke, okay? Just because I find maths like relatively easy doesn't mean that I'm going to be a genius, okay? I find English a bit harder than maths, okay? And vice versa. Hello, Laura, welcome, welcome, okay? So just try and be respectful in the chat, okay? But yeah, sorry to test your rant a bit. I apologize. Okay, so question number 4. Okay, type in ready when you're ready and we can talk about it, guys. Okay, I'll try and like screenshot this if I can onto like a PowerPoint so I can edit it. Okay, if I can, if it will let me. Okay. Okay, Alicia says ready. Okay. Hello, HC. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, Alicia says she's ready. Okay. CFC has got an answer for both. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, question number 4. How many millimeters are there in 3.27 meters? Okay, how many millimeters are equal to this? Take your answer. Well, from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100, guys. Okay, and then from centimeters to meters, we times by 10. So overall, we're timesing by 1,000. So we do 3.27 times 1,000, which if you're unsure, just bring it into your calculator, okay, because it's a paper 2. So bring it into your calculator. And when you do that, guys, you will indeed get 3,270 because the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. And that, guys, is our answer. Okay. So that's question number 4 done. Okay. Hello, Ewan. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Question number 5. Which is longer, 3/4 of a day or 1,000 minutes? You must show your workings. Again, let's convert it so it's in like the same measurement. Okay. One day is 24 hours. Okay. So I'm going to do 3/4, okay, of 24 hours. Okay. So a fraction of an amount, divide by the bottom and times by the top. 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. So it's 18 hours. Okay. And from hours to minutes, we multiply by 60. Okay. 18 times 60. Okay. If I bring that into my calculator, okay, just give me 1 second to work it out. Okay. So going to my trusty calculator. Okay, so 18 times 60, guys, we do get 1,080, okay, minutes, which is bigger than 1,000 minutes. Okay, therefore, guys, 3/4 of a day is going to be longer. Okay, so that is going to be my answer for question number 5. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Let me know. Does that make sense? Let me know. Okay. Yes, that is what I said, Zeltier. That's what I said. So from meters to centimeters, we times by 100, and from centimeters to millimeters, we times by 10. So okay, so someone says, yeah, okay, cool, cool. Okay, can I move on, guys, or do you want to screenshot that? Okay, I'll give you just 5 seconds to screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so back to the paper now. So back to the paper. Okay, that's question 4 and 5 done. Question number 6, guys. Okay, so 6A and 6B on the screen. Okay, please do stop me if I'm going too fast. Okay, but we're going at a good pace today. So this is from a website, I think, yeah. So it's from um, I think, yeah, was it Revision Worksheet or Matching, yeah, okay, or the actual AQA website, yeah, okay. But it's AQA June 2019. Paper 2 Foundation Tier. Okay, hello Tahir, welcome, welcome. Hello SP. Okay, so question 6A is a classic calculation question. Okay, someone says AQA is harder than Excel. Um, I mean, they're quite similar actually, they're quite similar. Okay, because the grey boundaries will adjust for that. Hello, Brooke, welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow. Okay. And drop your answers in the chat when you're ready to talk about it. But this is entering, numbers into a calculator. Hello, Apple user. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well, my friend. That is a good question here. There's no particular reason here. Okay, it's just because, they don't actually test like capture, recapture in AQS. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, but it is a very, very, very valid question. Okay, right, guys, drop ready when you're ready, guys, and we can talk about it. Okay, so it's a classic calculations question. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Rose, for liking. Hello, N dots. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so 6A is a classic calculations question. Okay, so if you need to revise the use of a calculator, okay. Thank you so much for 2K likes. Okay, so question number 6, guys. Okay, so use your calculator to work out 9.75 cubed all over 1.875 plus 6.74 squared. Give your answer as a decimal. Write down your full calculator display. So again, all we do is just enter this into our calculators, guys. Okay, I'm doing it on my phone here, so I apologize if you can't see me. Okay, but on your calculator, okay, you would obviously enter your fraction button. Okay, so fraction button 9.75 cubed, so to the power of 3 over 1.875, and then plus 6.4 squared. And our answer, guys, is 535.285. Okay, so that is my answer. Okay, well done, yep. So 535 actually 0.285. Awesome, awesome. Okay, what about part B? Is your answer to part A sensible? By rounding each number to the nearest whole number, okay, or check by rounding, okay, are we on the right line? Okay, so let's obviously check here. So let's obviously check by working it out. Okay, so let's just do it in a new slide if we can. Okay, okay. So what we're gonna do, guys? Well, if we round each number to the nearest whole number, 9.75 will go to 10. Okay, okay. Zelti's got an answer for that. Let's double check. So what was the number? So yeah, it was 9.75 here. So it'd be 10 cubed over 2 plus 6 squared. Okay. So 10 cubed is 1,000. 1,000 divided by 2 is going to be 500. 500 plus 36 equals 536. So yes, that does confirm that my answer to part A is indeed correct. Okay. Again, if you're unsure, then just bring all that into your calculator. Okay, 10 cubed means 10 times 10 times 10. So you have 1,000 halves, which is equal to 500. 6 squared means 6 times 6. So we have 500 plus 36, which gives you 536, which is very, very, very close. 535.285. Okay, that's question 6B done. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, question number 7. Okay, so looking at a classic bank statement. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Aaron, for the follow. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, please. Okay, check out the content on my page. Okay, every new follower, I really, really, really do appreciate. Hello, Alice Baker, welcome, welcome. Hello, 222, welcome, guys. Thank you so much, Zelty, for liking. Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes here to obviously try this bank statement question. Okay, this again, yeah, is another classic calculations question on the foundation tier. Okay, reading a bank statement. And again, this is like a real life problem. Okay, because when you guys obviously start work in the future, okay, this is how you'll be able to like monitor like your income and your expenditure, we say. Okay, but yeah, hello Biryani, welcome, welcome. Hello Amber, welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you for joining, guys. Yeah, on your Sunday, I appreciate everyone joining on Sunday. I know it's half term. Hello Top Boy, welcome, welcome. Hello Kevin's. Okay, when you're ready, guys, drop your answers in the chat. Okay. Hello Jack. Hello Michaels. Welcome, welcome. Michaels ZGM 777777888. Hello Wentworth. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Hello to everyone that's watching, guys. Okay, thank you for being here today. Okay. Hello Silent. Hello Sober. Welcome, welcome. Hello user. Right, guys. Drop ready in the chat when you're ready, and we can talk about it. Hello Georgia. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, Zelty says ready. Thank you, Cam Fam TikTok, for liking. Hello, Lion Lady. Okay, hello, Cam. Thank you again, yeah, Cam Fam TikTok, for liking. Okay, right, guys. Question number 7. Okay, sorry if I'm if it sorry if it's actually a bit fast today, guys, but I do actually appreciate that. We want to work here at like a fair pace today. So question number 7 is here is a bank statement. Got the date, starting balance is blank. We've got debit and credit. Okay, so first key point to remember. Okay, so Aaron's got an answer for the first part, I think. Okay, the key part is as follows. The word credit means money that goes into the account, so money that is paid into the account, and the word debit means money that is paid out of the account, so money that comes out of the account. So think of it as credit as your income, okay, or money coming in, and your debit is your expenditure, money that is coming out. So food, drinks, rent, bills, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so first step is to work out the starting balance, okay, so we're doing this number, subtract this equals this. So to work out your starting balance, we're going to do 189.34 plus £72.09. If we bring that into our calculator, okay, so let's just double check that quickly, okay, in my calculator. Okay, so if I bring that into my calculator, I get 189.34 plus £72.09. We get £261.43 as our starting balance. So that will go there. So £261.43. Okay. Well done, Aaron. Yeah, well done, Aaron, for getting that. Okay. Now the next one. Well, that's come out of my account. Okay. Now I've got a little blank for a refund. So remember, credit means money coming in. So I'm going to do £86.75, subtract £72.09. If I do that, okay, if I'm not mistaken, you get £14.64. Okay, let's just double check it. Actually, let's just double check it. So we do 86.75, subtract Okay, so 86.75 subtract 32.09. So we get £14 and 66 pence for the refund. Okay, and then lastly, a salary is paid into this person's account. Okay, on the 12th of April 2019. So we're going to do £14 66 pence plus £1,430  29 pence. When we do that, guys, okay, let's just double check here. Okay, let's just double check that I'm doing everything right. Okay, so 86.75 subtract £72 and 9 pence. Yep. And then I'm going to add that to £1,430  29 pence. So our closing balance, we can say, is £1,444 and 95 pence. Okay. And that, guys, is going to be my answer for that question. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Let me know. Okay. Does it make sense? And can I move on? Hello, M. Welcome, welcome. Let me know, guys. Does that make sense? Okay. Sorry for not actually writing it, but hopefully that made sense. Okay. So, to yeah, just like a little brief recap. Okay, I do 72.09 plus 189.34 to work out the starting balance. Then to work out the refund, I did the 86.75. Okay, subtract 72.09 to work out the refund amount. And then to work out the closing balance, we can say I did the refund plus the salary, and I got that. Okay, again, another classic question on the foundation tier. Okay, let's move on. Okay, question number 8A. Okay, the interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108. Work out the sum of the 5 reflex angles at the vertices of the regular polygon. Okay, and it's a 3-mark question. Hello, Amanda. Welcome, welcome. I'll give you about 5. I'll give you about 2 minutes here to try this question, and then drop your answers in the chat when you're ready, guys, and then we can talk about it. Hello, Ghost. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello, Ibrahim. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Fridge Magnet. Welcome, welcome. Guys, drop ready when you're ready, and then we can talk about it. Sorry for going a bit quiet there, but I'll try and stay quiet. Yeah, sorry, I've got a habit of just talking. So I'll try and just give you a minute, okay, to give it a go. Okay, tap in ready when you're ready, and then we can talk about it. Okay, so Aaron's put some work into here, okay, and we can check. Okay, so that, Aaron, that will give you the sum of the interior angles, okay. But my hint for you is, what do angles around a point add up to? Okay. And then whatever answer you get from that, you times it. Okay. Okay, so I'll give you another few seconds. Thank you, Cam, for the follow, guys. If you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, guys. If you're new around here, and welcome to anyone that's new here. Thank you for joining me on this Bank Holiday Sunday. I really do actually appreciate it. Okay, it's been quite a good live so far. We've got on average about 10 people here per live. Okay, hello Hannah, welcome. And it's getting more and more. Okay, thank you for being here on your Sunday, guys. I do really appreciate it. Okay, we've now got 20 people in the chat. Okay, this is actually a foundation, yes. So it is actually a foundation hiring. Sorry. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Hannah, for liking. Hello, Jonathan. Welcome. Thank you. Yeah, thank you again, Hannah, for liking. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow. Right, guys, drop or type in ready when you're ready, and we can talk about it. Okay, I'll try and obviously screenshot this one actually because it might require a bit of talking. We'll get a new slide open. Okay, Maddie says ready, Aaron says ready, and Sue Londoners says ready. So, guys, let's talk about it. Okay, this is quite tricky. Actually, it's a bit more of a tricky question. Okay, what are we told, guys? Well, it says the interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108. Work out the sum of the 5 reflex angles. Okay, so step 1, angles around the point add to make 360. So to work out the size of one reflex angle, we're going to do 360. Okay, do 360. Why is my pad? Sorry, guys. Yeah, pad's being a bit funny. So 360 subtract 108. If we did, yeah, if we work it out, okay, either way with a calculator or without a calculator, Hannah is ready as well. Okay, so we're going to do 0 take 8. I can't do so. I need to borrow 1 from there. That becomes 5. 10 take 8 is going to be 2. 5 take nothing is going to be 5. And then 3 take 1 is going to be 2. So that's the size of one reflex angle. We've got 5. So we're going to do 252 times that by 5. Okay, so let's just work it out. Okay, so 5 by 2 is going to be 10, so 0, carry the 1. 5 by 5 is going to be 25, plus 1 is going to be 26. So 6, carry the 2, guys. 5 by 2 is 10, plus the 2 is going to be that. So our final answer is 1,260. Okay, guys. And that, guys, is going to be our answer to part A. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Okay, does that make sense? So I think the wording caused a bit of confusion there. Okay, so step 1 was to work out the angle of one reflex angle and then times it by 5. Okay, Aaron says yes. Sude says yes. Awesome. Sude Londres. How is Macduff presented? Sorry, what does that mean, Mohammed? Sorry. Hello, George and Louise. Welcome. Hope you're well. Right, guys. Okay, give you a few seconds here to obviously screenshot that and then we'll move on. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. He's for flicking here between that one and another. It is a bit of a pain. Okay, so that's that one there. Okay, right. Next part. Omar asks Harry, how many lines of symmetry does a pentagon have? Harry assumes it is a regular pentagon. His answer is 5. Part B. So draw the lines. Okay, of symmetry of this regular pentagon. Okay, so this is a topic here that causes a lot of like misconception. Okay, so the way this works, guys. Okay, so your rotational symmetry is the number of sides you have. Okay, lines of symmetry is slightly more different. Okay, It is all about cutting the shape so it's the same size on both sides. Okay, so think of it like a mirror line. Okay, so the first question is is he correct, guys? Yeah. Okay, is Harry correct? Do we think? Okay, yes or no? Okay, so drop the answer in the chat. Okay, hello, 111. Okay, so line of symmetry is all to do with cutting the shape so it is equal amount on both sides. Okay, so think of it like a mirror line. Okay, so Aaron says yes. Okay, so let's obviously double check again. So let's obviously give it a go. Okay, so okay, let's just do it on paint to make it a bit easier. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so we're gonna have one line down there, guys, aren't we? Okay, so that's one line of symmetry. Okay, we're also gonna have a symmetry that is like that. Okay, we're gonna have one there. Okay, are there any other lines of symmetry, guys, on this? Okay, are there any other lines of symmetry? Okay, so I'm counting three. Are there any others, guys? Let me know. Okay, are there any others? So I'm counting three here. Okay, I can do more though, can't I? Because I can do one down here. So that'll be four, guys. I can do one here. Oh, it's a bit more there, but sorry, yeah, it's meant to be like this. Sorry. So that'll be like another one there. And then I can do another one here. Okay. And then I can do one here. Okay. So how many lines, guys? Sorry, yeah, it's actually confused. Yeah. Okay. I've done it wrong. So let's just start again. Sorry. Okay. So there's one there, guys. There's two. There's three there. Okay. Yeah, you're right, Oslam. Yeah, you are right. You are right. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so there should be five, right? So yeah, so Aaron is right. Yeah, so there should actually be five. So there should be one, two, three, four, and five. Yeah. So to answer the question, okay, yeah, you're right. Okay, yeah, so it is five. Yes. Okay, so it is five. Okay. So sorry about confusion. Yeah, but yeah, it is actually five. Okay. So one down there. Okay. So one down the middle. Then one at each vertex. Okay. I've drawn too many. Oh, okay. Sorry. I've drawn too many. Let me just start again. Oh no, it's gonna take forever to just copy. Let me just do like a new one. Okay, let's just start again. Okay, so we got one here, guys. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so we got one here. Okay, two. Okay, three, and then we're gonna have four there, And then lastly, we're going to have 5. And therefore, guys, that is going to be my answer, okay? Yeah, no, I know. I've done that, Michaela. I've done that, okay? Does that make sense? Sorry, guys. I think I actually butchered that shit, but I apologize, okay? But yeah, the answer is correct, okay? So Harry is right, okay? Okay, part C. Omer says, what if the pentagon is not regular? Well, then obviously that will affect how many, okay? So the answer would be, okay, there could be any up to 5, okay? If it's not regular, okay, so it's going to be the bottom one, okay? Does that make sense? Sorry, guys. Yeah, I messed up my shit, but I apologize. Sorry. I drew on you like more than I was meant to, okay? Hello again, Maddie. Welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Yeah, sorry about that, Michaela. I apologize, Michaela. Sorry. Thank you, Aaron, for backing me, okay? Let's move on, okay? Right, another question. Again, another classic question on the foundation tier, okay? So we've got a 4 marker there, okay? It says in total, how much do the 56 customers pay? So how much do they all pay in total? Okay, so I'll give you around 4 minutes to try this question, and then we can talk about it. Again, sorry that I can't actually like write on the PDF, okay, because it's secure. Okay, but this is question number 9, guys. Hello, Daphne. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, sorry, guys, for like messing up your like any parts. Okay, I do actually apologize. Hello, Luca. Welcome, welcome. I think a lot have actually left here because I messed up that question there, but that's fine. That happens. Thank you for liking, guys. Yeah, thank you for liking. Guys, type in ready when you're ready. Or someone's got a question. Is 72 hours enough to cover everything foundation maths? Um, Probably not 72 hours. I think that's quite small. Um, how can I do white res maths? I can try and do white res maths, yeah, at some point, okay? But yeah, I think 72 hours, yeah, is cutting it short, okay? I mean, I have actually done, yeah. So earlier this year, I don't know if you follow me on that social media. I was actually in a school actually in like Peterborough where I covered the whole of GCSE maths, okay? I think it's for higher and foundation. So like the crossover topics here. I covered that in like a 3-day like crash course. Um, but that was obviously quite intense, yeah, and I don't really encourage it, okay? But I think yeah, it was like one of about the most I think best experience yeah, I've ever had in my life. Yeah, obviously it was quite stressful, yeah, but I think yeah, it was quite nice. Um, Again, yeah, Aaron's got yeah, good question. Yeah, in terms of yeah, marks to pass, check out a website I think called MathSpot. They've got all like the grade boundaries. Okay, I think to pass foundation year, it's roughly I think it's 68 to like 70%. I think overall. Okay, so you want to be aiming for yeah around like the first 3 quarters of a paper, I'd say. Okay, hello Cherry, welcome Cherry. Guys, type in ready when you're ready and we can talk about it. Sorry, yeah. The question says, sorry, yeah, sorry, that is the question there. Yeah, I'd say that, Aaron, yeah. Okay, again, obviously, it is all like hit and miss here, okay? But if you want like exact numbers, um, maybe contact your like your exam board and they can give you like more numbers here or just look online, okay? Um, but yeah, I'd I'd say roughly yeah, about 66 here to 68% to pass. Okay. Right guys, question 9, okay, so we'll give it a go. So it says 56 customers, okay, pay for satellite television. Okay, they all have the basic package of that per month. Some also have this, so they have the sports package, okay, and the movie package, okay, for £18 per month. The frequency shows the number of customers with each package. Okay, the question then says in total how much do the 56 customers pay. Okay, so let's do it step by step, guys. Okay, so step one, we're going to do 56 times 25, 24.5. Okay, so let's work that out. So 26, okay, sorry, 56, sorry, so 56 times £24.50. So we get £1,372. Okay, for the first part. Okay, okay, so yeah, so let's just obviously copy and paste here. So we don't want that, sorry. So our first step, guys, is to do 56 times £24.50. Okay, because everyone is paying for the basic package. Okay, that gives us £1,372. Okay, and then obviously careful on the next part. Then it says some also have a sports package of £25.50 extra per month. So for the sports package, okay, so we're going to do 21 times £27.50. We're going to do 21. times £27.50. Okay, again, if we bring that into our calculator, we'll get an answer. Sorry guys about this, like jerking this out of my tablet that I'm using. Okay, so let's work this out. Let's clear that. So 21 times £27.50, we get £577.50. Okay, because they're the ones that said yes. Okay, and then of the movies, okay, £18 extra per month. So the ones that said yes to movies will be 14 plus 8, so that'll be 22. So 22 times £18, okay, and then all we do is just add up the numbers together. So 22 guys times 18. Okay, if we do it on our calculators, guys, okay, 22 times 18 is £396. Okay, adding up all our numbers together. Okay, so 1372 plus 577.50 plus 396. We get an answer, guys. Okay, of 2,300. Okay, so £2,345 and 50 pence, and that's how much in total. Okay, the 56 customers paid. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Bella, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Let me know. I think a lot, yeah, have like left the chat now, which is fine. Okay. Question number 10, guys. So Zoe is thinking of a number. 3/10 of 90 equals a half of a number. What number she's thinking of? Okay. So step one, work out what 3/10 of 90 is. So divide by the bottom times by the top. Okay. So 3/10 of 90 is going to be 27. So 27 equals half of a number. Well, if half of a number is 27, if we double that, what is double 27, guys? Let me know in the chat. What is double 27? So Nikib got an answer, but he's not quite right, unfortunately. So double 27 is what, guys? What is double 27? So the answer, guys, is actually 54. Okay, because a half of 54 is 27. Okay, 3/10 of 90. So it's a fraction of an amount. We divide by the bottom and times by the top. So 90 divided by 10 is going to be 9. 9 times 3 is going to be 27. Okay, so 27 equals half of a number. So 27 equals a half x times both sides by 2. Okay, or divide by half. Well done, okay, he got the answer. Okay, awesome, awesome. Let's move on now. Okay, I'll try and be a bit more faster now. Okay, so let's zoom out of this. So you can see the whole question. Okay, well done, Kieran. Yep, spot on, Kieran. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so give 2 criticisms of these charts. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, and check out the content on my page. Okay, and subscribe to me on YouTube if you can. And thank you for any gifts here. Thank you for any shares, guys. I appreciate all the support. Okay. But can we try and get to 10k followers, guys, if we can, please? Fix this quickly, okay, because TikTok thinks I'm a robot. There we go. Back to the question. Hello, Siraj. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. So, guys, tap in ready when you're ready and we can talk about it. Okay. So question number 11. On a journey, Laura sees 30 vehicles. Each vehicle is a car, a van, or a lorry. She draws the bar chart. Okay. So give two problems here or two criticisms with this chart. First one is they're not equal or the bars are not equal distance or equal width. Okay. And then secondly, um 14 plus 4 is going to be 18. 18 plus 10 is going to be 28. So the frequencies do not match. That is my answer for that question. Okay. So different in different in width. Okay. And the frequencies do not match up. Okay. That's that one done. Okay. Question number 12. Okay. Slightly more trickier now. Okay. A drawing has a scale of 1 to 40. On the drawing, a bedroom is measured 10 by 18. A kitchen has an actual area of 300,000 centimeters squared, which has a bigger actual area, the bedroom or the kitchen. Okay, you must show your workings. Okay. So this again, yeah, is a topic that does cause a bit of like misconception. Okay. The clue here is so 1 centimeter is actually 40 centimeters in real life. Okay, that is the key to remember. Okay, 1 centimeter on paper on the drawing is the same as 40 actual centimeters in real life. So this topic here is called scales and drawings. Okay. Okay, type in ready, guys, when you're ready, and we can talk about it. Hello, sir. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hope you're well, sir. Hello, British Civic Tutor. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're well. We are doing a GCSE Foundation paper 2 paper today. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, user, for the follow. Hello, theme parks. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Guys, if you're new around there, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, and check out the videos on my page. Okay, please like, share, repost. Okay, all that good stuff. And subscribe to me on YouTube if you can. Okay, I'm trying to gain as many more followers as possible. Okay, so the more followers I get, the better. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for the follow, Mr. Rahman. Welcome, my friend. Okay, anyone got an answer for this, guys? Or are we not sure? The Apple user, welcome back, my friend. Welcome back. If we can hit 2.5k followers today, then I'll be very, very, very happy. Okay. Hello, W. Welcome. Guys, let's talk about it, okay? So, question number 12. A drawing has a scale of 1 to 40. On the drawing, okay, a bedroom is a rectangle measuring 10 by 18. A kitchen has an actual area of 300 centimeters squared. Which has a bigger actual area, the kitchen or the bedroom? Okay, so step one, work out the area of the drawing, okay, of the bedroom. So we do 10 times 18. 10 times 18 is 180 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's the drawing. Now, here's the key. To go from, okay, the area drawing to the actual area, okay, I'm going to multiply it by 40 squared because this is my length scale factor. So from length scale factor to area scale factor, I'm going to square everything, okay? So I'm going to multiply 180 by 40 squared. 40 squared, yeah, is 3,600. So I'm going to do 180, okay, times 3,600. Okay, when I do that, guys, on my calculator, okay, let's double check. So 180 times 40 squared, I get 288,000 centimeters squared for the actual area of my bedroom or of this bedroom. Okay, so which has a bigger area? Well, the kitchen has a bigger actual area. So my answer is going to be kitchen. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? So we first of all, we did 10 times 18 to work out the area of the rectangle for the drawing. Okay, that gave us the area, okay, of the drawing. Now, to go from length scale factor to area scale factor, I'm going to square this ratio. So I have 1 squared to 40 squared. So I'm going to have 1 to 40 squared, okay, which is 1,600, yeah, which is 1,600, okay. So I times that by 180, and when I do that, I get 288,000 for the actual bedroom, okay, um, measurement, okay, or area, and therefore, guys, the actual area, which is bigger, is going to be the kitchen, okay? That's my answer for question 12, okay? Let's move on, okay? Question 13, okay, looking at some similar shapes. Hello, funky monkey, welcome, monkey. Oh, sorry, funny monkey, sorry. So, did that last one make sense, guys? Did it make sense? Let me know. Anyone got an answer for this, guys? Drop it in the chat or drop ready when you're ready, guys, and we can talk about it. Also, guys, anyone that's new around here, make sure you give us a follow if you can. Okay, Rihanna, sorry. So she's ready. Anyone else ready, guys? Let me know. The user says will do follow. Is this for paper two? Yeah, it is for paper two, yes. Yep, so it's paper two foundation. It's a calculator paper. Also, any topic requests, please do let me know. Okay, either in the chat or even better, if you comment your topic requests in the videos that I've done, then I'll see that better, okay, because I don't see the chat after live. Okay, Iron's got an answer. Okay, should we check if he's right? Let's talk about it. Question number 13. Here are two similar shapes, A and B. The length of edges A to length of edges in B is 2 to 5. The perimeter of A is 210. Well, work out the perimeter of B. Well, to go from A to B, the scale factor will be 2.5, okay? Because 5 over 2 makes it 2.5. So I'll do 210 times 2.5. If I bring that into my calculator, I get the answer of 525. So my answer is 525 millimeters, okay? And therefore, guys, that is going to be our answer for question number 13, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Okay, well done, INC. Well done, yeah, well done, INC, for getting that. Awesome, okay. Let's zoom out a bit. Question 14 this year, again, looking at a classic Venn diagram question, okay? Although we are not at the overlap, okay, this will still be beneficial also, yeah, for higher tier as well, okay, for general revision, okay? So please feel free to give it a go, okay? So Venn diagram, okay? If it's come up already, okay, on your papers, then don't panic, okay? But I think this is quite a common question, okay? So sorry, yeah, obviously zooming out a bit there. It says there are 135 passengers on a plane. 3 of the passengers, okay, in business class are flying for the first time. In total, there are 15 passengers flying in business class. 1/4, okay, of the passengers not in business class are flying for the first time. 14A, in the Venn diagram, so epsilon, which is the whole set, so a set of everything. Hello, GC Revision. Hello, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you for joining live. Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining live. Hope you're well. B is equal to the passengers in business class, and F is the passengers flying for the first time. Complete the Venn diagram. Okay, so I'll give you another minute or so. Hello, Mason. Welcome. Okay, and then we can talk about it. But yeah, anyone that is doing a GCSEs, guys, here, please do check out GCSE Revision. They have like a fantastic account. Okay, and they even have some fantastic discount codes for MME Premium. Okay, which is another fantastic resource for GCSE Maths and English and Science. So please do check their account out, guys, and give them a follow if you can. Okay. Guys, another minute or so, and then we can talk about it. Okay, thank you so much, GCSE Revision, for liking. Okay, and I'll stay quiet for a minute. Okay, and then type in ready, guys, when you're ready, and then we can talk about it once you finished it. Okay. Hello, Manuela. Welcome. Thank you, GCSE Revision, for liking. Okay. Sorry guys, if it's like a bit too slow or a bit too fast today, I apologize, yeah, either way round. Okay, so GCSE revision thinks they've got an answer. Okay, another 30 seconds, guys, or so. Okay, it is a full mark. Okay, yes, I'm working about a minute a mark. Sorry, pardon me, guys. Okay, so thank you for sharing. I appreciate you sharing. Guys, anyone that's new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, check out the content on my page, and please subscribe to my YouTube. Link is in my bio, and help me gain and obtain more followers. Okay, on both platforms. Okay, but thank you for any support, guys. Thank you for any likes, shares, any gifts. Okay, I appreciate all the support, guys. Okay, guys, type in ready when you're ready, guys, and then we can talk about it. Okay, so I'll talk about it obviously verbally, and then I will copy and paste it because I can't edit on here, guys, for obvious reasons. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, Brian, for liking. Okay, right, guys. So let's give it a go. Okay, it's question 14. There are 135 passengers on a plane. 3 of the passengers, okay, in business class are flying for the first time. In total, there are 15 passengers in the business class. Okay, so here's the first answer, guys. So in the intersection is going to be 3, and then here it will be 12. Okay, so let's just copy and paste. Okay, if anyone that's not sure. Okay, so let's just copy and paste it. Okay, okay. So if you look here, guys. Okay, so we've got 3 here and then 12 because in total we have 15 that are flying on a business class. Okay, what about the rest of the question? Okay, so then it says a quarter of the passengers who are not in business class, okay, are flying for the first time. Okay, so a quarter of the passengers not in business class, okay. So I'm gonna do a subtraction. Okay, so I'm gonna do 135. Oops, sorry, wrong one there. So 135 minus 15, because that will tell me the number of people that are not in business class, okay? Because 12 plus 3 makes 15. So again, on your so do it on your calculator, obviously work it out. You're going to get 0 to 1. We're now going to work out a quarter of 120, okay? A fraction of an amount. We divide by the bottom and times by the top, okay? A quarter means divided by 4. So that's going to be 30. So 30, guys, is going to go in here. So first time, okay, but not in business class. Okay. Now, this is the last part now. Okay. So this plus this plus this plus this number here outside the circle, okay, must add to 135. So we're going to have 30 plus that is going to be 45. So if we do 135 minus, is that right? Yeah, sorry, yeah. So 135 minus 45, okay, if I'm not mistaken, okay, that will give us 90, okay. So 90 goes outside the circle, but inside the box. Okay. So 90 is going to go here. Okay. And therefore, guys, that is going to be our answer for that question. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Let me know. Okay. Does that make sense? Let me know. Did you get that or not? Let's have you welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, the Real Madrid, for liking. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for liking. Okay. Anyone get that, guys? Let me know. Anyone get that? That was quite, I think, yeah, slightly more tricky question. That was. Okay. Again, because of the wording. Okay. That's part A done now. What about part B? One of the passengers is chosen at random. Write down the probability that the passenger is in business class. Okay. So business class, that'll be 15 out of the total, which is 135. Okay. And that, guys, is my answer for 14B. Okay. That's my answer for part B. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Does that make sense? Everyone's going quiet now, I think. A lot of people, yeah, I think I've left the stream now, which is fine. Okay, question number 15, okay? So we'll call it a day, guys, yeah, once we actually finish today's paper. Okay, question 15 this year, okay? Hello, London girl, welcome. So a line has the equation y equals x plus 3, 15a. Write down the coordinates of the point where the line intersects the y-axis. The y-axis is when x equals 0, okay? When x is 0, y is 3, so the coordinates will be 0, 3. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's 15a done. 15b, write down the coordinates of the point where the line intersects the y-axis. Sorry, the x-axis, sorry. The x-axis is when y is equal to 0. So you have 0 equals x plus 3. You minus 3 on both sides, we get x is minus 3. So it'll be minus 3, 0. And therefore, guys, that is going to be my final answer, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Does that make sense? Hello, sir. Welcome. Hope you're well. Okay. Let's move on then. Okay. This one's a graph question. Okay. What I might do here is just skip actually because it's going to be quite long. Okay. How many do we have? Okay, that's fine. I'm going to skip you. I think question 20. I think on that. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, Dane, for liking. We might do a few more questions and then I might come back on later to obviously finish the rest off. Okay. Or should I finish it off in one go, guys? Let me know. Because I do obviously appreciate that not everyone got the time for this. What I might do is just actually go through it here to save us a bit of time. The graph below is used to convert between the temperature in Fahrenheit and temperature in degrees Celsius. Part A, use the graph to convert 40 degrees into degrees Celsius. Again, obviously read the question carefully. So degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, so looking at 40 here. So we're going to go across to 40 on our x-axis, go up. But if I'm not mistaken, the answer is going to be around 4.2, I want to say, okay, or 4.4. Okay, so 4.4 degrees Celsius when it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, obviously, yeah, read the graph carefully in the exam. Okay, This is part B. At one temperature T, the number of degrees Celsius is double the number of degrees Fahrenheit. C equals to F can be drawn to help find the temperature on the grid opposite. Draw a graph, okay, of this, okay. Let me use your temperature to help you, okay. So when F is 0, C is going to be 0, so I can put 0, 0, and then when F is 25, C will be 50, okay. So yeah, it's going to have a gradient of 2, okay. Obviously, yeah, it's going to be obviously a bit tricky to actually draw here, okay, but I'll try and obviously plot it the best I can, okay. But yeah, so we've got that C equals 2F. So yeah, we're gonna put 0, 0 there, okay. When F is 10, C is 20 because it's double it, 20, 40, okay, minus 10 minus 20. So it looks something like that actually with a ruler. Okay, again, I haven't got like a ruler here. Okay, that's like a rough sketch. Okay, that's that done. Okay, use a graph here to estimate the value of T. Okay, so we'll just pick a point now, okay, on our graph. So at one temperature T, the number of degrees Celsius is double the number of degrees Fahrenheit. So C equals 2F. Can be drawn to find this temperature. Okay. So let's just double check our graph. Okay. I think it's asking for like the intersection. Okay. Again, obviously, I haven't actually drawn it perfectly there. Okay. Okay. So again, yeah, it is the intersection. Okay. Obviously, it's not perfect there, but it's going to be what? It is going to be roughly minus 11 or minus 12 point something, okay, so minus 12 degrees Fahrenheit, but they want degrees Celsius, so we want the y coordinate, so it's roughly minus 24 degrees Celsius on our y-axis for the intersection, okay, so that's my answer for part C. So where the intersection is, again, in the mark scheme, they're quite generous, okay, but make sure you plot with a ruler and a pencil. Okay, but sorry, yeah, it wasn't actually done actually very well there, okay, but I haven't actually got like a ruler on this. Okay, hello, Victor. Welcome, welcome. About three, okay. So in a bag, there are 10p coins, 20p coins, and 50p coins. There are two fewer coins, okay, 20p coins and 10p coins. There are 5 more 50p coins and 10p coins. So complete the table. So it'd be n minus 2 and then n plus 5 there. So n plus 5 goes there. Okay, so n plus 5 goes there for part A. For part B, it says altogether there are 60 coins. Work out total value of 20p. So we're going to do n plus n minus 2 plus n plus 5 equals 80. Form our equation and then solve it. So we'll have 3n plus 3 equals 60. So 3n equals 57. So n equals 57 divided by 3, which will be 19. Okay, so n is 19. We sub in 19 here into here. So we do 19 minus 2 will be 17. Okay, so the value of your 20p coin, so we do 17 times 0.2. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, so 17 of 20p coins, so 17 times 0.2. So let's just check on my calculator just to avoid mistakes. Is £3.40, and my answer for part B is £3.40. Okay, Did that make sense, guys? Did it make sense? Let me know. I think the chat gone a bit quiet. Hopefully it makes sense. Question 18, guys. A force of 180 newtons N is applied to the surface of this triangle. Work out the pressure. So pressure is force over area. To work out the area of the shape, it's a triangle. So it's base times height divided by 2. So do 12 times 10, which is 120, and then half it will be 60. But to work out the pressure, okay, it's 180 divided by 60, which will be 3. So it will be 3 newtons per centimeter squared, okay? So area of triangle is a half times base times height, or base times height over 2, okay? So that, guys, will be my answer. So it'll be 186 units, which gives us the answer of 3. Okay? Question 19, okay? In a sport, the number of points is directly proportional to number of wins. On the axes, draw a sketch. Okay, so this is looking at proportionality. Okay, so all we do here, guys, it is going to be the equation. Okay, so W equals K times P. Okay, so let's do it actually on here. Actually, might be a bit more easier. Okay, so it is going to look something. Okay, like this. Okay, it's in the form y equals kx, so it has to pass through the origin. Okay, we have here. Okay, so think of this as your y, and this is your x. It's saying that y is directly proportional to x, so y is proportional to x. I can replace this with y equals some constant k times x, and therefore, guys, that is going to be my final answer. Okay. That's that part there done. Okay. Question 20, I'm going to skip, okay, because I can't do it on the screen. Okay, question 21. Okay. Beth drives 200 miles in 4 hours. She drives the first 18 miles at an average speed of 36 miles per hour. Work out her average speed here for the rest of the journey. So we're going to use the formula speed is distance over time. Okay. So I'll give you a minute, just obviously try this question. Okay. And then we'll share answers in the chat. So remember, speed is distance over time. Make sure that your units are appropriate for this question. Anyone got an answer for this? Let me know. Hello, Woody. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Hope you're well. Guys, anyone that's new around here, make sure you give us a follow, okay, before we finish the live today. And I hope it's been useful, guys. Okay, thank you for being here on your Sunday, on your bank holiday weekend, okay, during your half term. I appreciate everyone being here today. Thank you for all the support. Okay, I really do appreciate it. So, guys, let's actually talk about it, okay? So, question 21 is here. Beth drives 200 miles in 4 hours. She drives the first 18 miles at an average speed of 36 miles per hour. Work out her average speed here for the rest of the journey. Okay, so we got one of two ways here to obviously work this out. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to try and work out the difference. Okay, so step one, we've got speed is distance over time. Okay, So for the first 18 miles, which is our distance, this is her speed. Okay. So to work out time, we're going to rearrange it. So time is distance over speed. Okay. So it'll be 18 out of 36 or 18/36, which simplifies to 0.5. Okay. So 0.5 of an hour. Okay, just to be clear. Okay. I'm now going to work out the difference in the distance, difference in the time, and then work out the speed. So 200 subtract 18 is going to be 182. So the remaining is going to be 182 miles. Okay. And the remaining time will be 4 subtract 0.5. So 4 subtract 0.5, which will equal to 3.5, guys. So I'm going to do 182 divided by 3.5 to work out the speed, okay? Because remember, speed is distance over time, okay? When I do this, guys, on my calculator, I get the answer of 52, okay? So it's 52 miles per hour, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Let me know, okay? Does that make sense? That is my answer for this question. Okay, let's move on. Okay, question 22. Okay, the diagram shows rectangle ABDE and a right angle triangle ABC. AC is this, BC is that. BC to CD is in this ratio 1 to 2. Look at the area of rectangle ABDE. Okay, so first step, the area of a rectangle is length times width or base times height. So we want this length here. So we want this full length here. Okay. So let's just copy and paste this. Okay. So step one, guys, is work out this length here. Well, it told us that BC to CD is 1 to 2. So I'm going to times this by 2. So that'll be 16, guys. Sorry, guys, about my pad. I apologize. It's been a bit funny again now. Okay. So BD has the total length of 24 centimeters. So that's going to be our length. What about our width, guys? Our width, sorry. Well, we've got a right angled triangle, so we can use Pythagoras to work out this length here. So we're going to do 17 squared subtract 8 squared is equal to x squared. Okay. So to work out x, it'll be the square root of 17 squared minus 8 squared, which if we bring into our calculator, okay, we'll get an answer. Okay. So we're going to do 17 squared subtract. Okay, so square root So when we do that, we get that x is 15. So that'll be 15 now. So the length of AB will be 15. The area of ABDE is going to be length times width. So 24 times 15, guys, will be 360. So the area is 360 centimeters squared. And that, guys, is going to be our final answer. Okay, that's question 22 done. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, we are obviously working a bit faster now. Okay, let me know if you've got any questions. Please do stop me. Hello, Nabila, welcome. Question 23A. In a sport, injury time is played at the end of, injury time is added, time played at the end of a match. Okay, the table shows injury time T minutes in 380 matches. Part A, circle 2 words that describe the data. Okay, so here we have what we call grouped data. Okay, so it is not going to be ungrouped data. Okay, so we can ignore the last one. Okay, so it is going to be group data. Okay, yeah, well done. Okay, if you got that, so group data, and then this is what I call continuous. Okay, because discrete. Okay, think of discrete as like whole numbers. Okay, when I have an interval, T can take an infinite number of values between 0 and 2. So our answer, guys, is continuous and group data, okay? So think of discrete, as like colors of a car or colors of someone's eyes, okay? Or the height of a person, okay? Or their shoe size, okay? You can't have, for example, you can't have like someone's height being 1.49999 meters, okay? They'll have like a fixed, amount, okay? So that's 23A done. Okay, part B, which class interval contains the median? Okay, so the median, to work it out, we're going to half the total frequency. So half of 380 is going to be 190, okay? And then all we do is we're going to work out the accumulation of this, okay? So what do I mean by that? Okay, so let's just obviously copy and paste this here, just obviously be clear. Okay, if we're not sure about this, because this is a bit more trickier now. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to start adding up our frequencies until we get to like the halfway. So 380 divided by 2. Okay, so we want the 190th value. Okay, now remember we're obviously working in group data. Okay, so we want the 190th value. Okay, so we're going to do 59 plus 158. Let's work it out. So 59 plus 158. That's going to be 17. 1. That's going to be 11. So 217. Okay, so the median has to lie somewhere in this interval. Okay, because we've passed the 190th value. Okay, so our answer for the median is 2 is less than t, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay? So that is the median of my group data, okay? So 2 is less than t, less than or equal to 4, okay? What about part C, guys? What percentage of the matches had more than 6 minutes of injury time? So had more than 6 minutes. So we're looking at here. So we're going to have 45 plus 12. That'll be 67. So it'll be 67 out of 380. Okay, times that by 100. So we're going to do 67. So 67 divided by 380. Oh, I made a mistake there. So 67 divided by 380 times that by 100. We get 17.6%. Okay, the answer is 17.6 or 17.63% either is fine. Okay. Question 24. X is an integer. Okay. So work out the possible values of X. Okay. So let's work it out. Okay. Quickly. Okay. Sorry guys, yeah, obviously going obviously a bit faster, but I'm conscious obviously of time. Okay. I'm going to try and give time obviously to do the question. Okay. So let's work it out. Okay. So let's subtract 3 on all 3 sides of my inequality. So 2 minus 3 is going to be minus 1. Less than or equal to X. Less than 93 is going to be 6. Okay. So here X can equal minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, that's all of the overlapped possibilities of both inequalities. Okay, because here I can have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, however, because this and this, haven't got like the same overlap, I can only include the ones that have an overlap, which is going to be here to here. Okay, of course, for this one, you're able to have 3, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, but again, this is not part of this inequality. Okay, so it's the overlap that I want, and this is my overlap. Therefore, my answer is going to be minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, if you got that, well done. Okay, if you didn't, hopefully it makes sense now. Okay, question 25. Okay, Joe and Kyle share some amount of money in the ratio 7 to n. Joe gets 35% of the money. Okay, work out the value of n. Okay, so this is slightly more trickier. Okay, so the way to do this is, okay, so the fraction that Joe takes, okay, will be 7 out of 7 plus n. Okay, the fraction that Joe takes, okay, will be 7. Okay, so 7 out of 7 plus n. Okay, now that's the same as 35%. So as a fraction, that would be 35 hundredths. Okay, so this is where it gets obviously a bit more tricky. Okay, because it's a bit more nastier. Okay, from 7 to 35, I'm going to times it by 5. So I'm going to times this by 5 actually, but we obviously don't know what n is. Okay, so 7 out of something equals 35 hundredths. So for that to be true, okay, n would have to be what? Okay, let's work it out. So we'll do 100 divided by 5, which is 20. 20 subtract 7 will be 13. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so 7 20ths, or 7 over 7 plus 13 is equal to 35%. Therefore, n is equal to 13. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? So n is equal to 13. Okay, that was quite, I think, like a natural question there. Okay, and question. Next one, circle the reciprocal of 4. Reciprocal just means 1 over that number. So it'd be 1/4. 1/4 means 1 divided by 4. So our answer is 0.25. Okay, there we go. Okay, last few questions now. Yeah, so last 2 questions. Okay, so the ratio x to y is 1 to 3. Circle the correct equation. So y is 3 times x. So our answer is y equals 3x. Okay, well done, Rocky. Well done, Rocky. Okay, spot on. Yep, 0.25. Okay, question 28 now. Okay, work out the nth term of this sequence. So we work out the common difference. Okay, so we're going to work out the common difference, which is 10. 10. So it's going to be 10n. So 10n. Okay, but when n is 1, 10 times 1 is 10, but we want 11, so we need to add an extra 1. So our nth term of this sequence is 10n plus 1. And therefore, guys, that is going to be our answer for the nth term of a linear sequence. Okay, so does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Well done, yeah, well done, Rocky. Okay, spot on. Okay, so for that ratio question here, okay, just to let you be clear. So the ratio question here, the one before, it said x to y is the ratio 1 to 3. It says circle the appropriate equation. So if you look here, y is equal to 3 times lots of x. So y equals 3 times x. So y equals 3x. So I'm going to circle, okay, y equals 3x. And that's my answer for question 27. And then for 28, my answer is there. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, so that's the end of our paper. Okay, so sorry, yeah, obviously taking like a long time there. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Yeah, are there any questions in the paper? Okay, that one obviously I've skipped because I can't actually do it. Okay, but obviously, yeah, do like revise your like local and construction. Okay, but that was the AQA June 2019 paper one. Okay, if you missed it, don't panic. I'll put it up here on YouTube after. But are there any questions, guys, here before I go? For anyone that's new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, and check out the content on my page. Okay. So please, yeah, please give us a follow if you're new around here. Okay. But if there's no questions, then I'm going to end the live. Thank you for today, guys. And I'll see you all very soon. Okay. Bye for now. Okay. Thank you for today, guys. Okay. Speak soon. Okay. Take care. All the best.